Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth controller directly to your TCL 43C61B TV. So in my case, I'm going to be connecting this DualSense controller, but I will also explain how to connect an Xbox controller in this video. So in case of DualSense controllers, you have to make sure that it's charged and then hold down the PS button and the create button at the same time until the LED indicators on your controller start flashing. Next, we're gonna have to go to remotes and accessories menu in the settings. So open quick settings, go to all settings, scroll down to remotes and accessories menu, and then select pair accessory. Wait until your TV finds your DualSense controller and click OK. And in a couple of seconds, they will be paired. And you'll be able to start using your controller right away. You can even navigate your TV using your controller. Now, if you want to unpair your controller, go back to remotes and accessories, select your DualSense controller, and then select forget and click OK. And your controller will be disconnected and unpaired from your TV. Now, in case you are using the Xbox controller, you're gonna have to turn it on by pressing the Xbox button in the middle. And once it's turned on, you're gonna have to hold down the pairing button located approximately in this spot. Just hold it down until your Xbox controller's LED lights start throbbing, and then do the same thing that we did on our TV. So select pair accessory, your TV will detect your Xbox controller, you're gonna have to select it and then confirm pairing with it. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.